Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between management and entrepreneurship. Management and entrepreneurship are two important concepts in the business world. Management focuses on efficiently utilizing resources and achieving organizational objectives, while entrepreneurship focuses on identifying opportunities, taking risks, and creating new ventures. Although both contribute to business success, they differ significantly in their approach, objectives, and mindset. Let's explore the major differences between management and entrepreneurship. Number 1. Management focuses on efficiency and doing things right, whereas entrepreneurship focuses on innovation and doing the right things. Number 2. Management begins within an existing organization, whereas entrepreneurship begins by creating a new business or venture. Number 3. Management aims to achieve organizational goals, whereas entrepreneurship aims to create value and build a successful venture. Number 4. Management follows established principles, policies, and procedures, whereas entrepreneurship relies on creativity, originality, and new approaches. Number 5. Management is generally risk-averse and seeks stability and control, whereas entrepreneurship embraces risk and uncertainty for potential rewards. Number 6. Management works with existing resources available in the organization, whereas entrepreneurship creates, acquires, and mobilizes new resources. Number 7. Management usually focuses on short-term and medium-term objectives, whereas entrepreneurship emphasizes long-term vision and growth. Number 8. Management operates within a structured and organized environment, whereas entrepreneurship creates a dynamic and flexible environment. Number 9. Authority in management is derived from organizational position and hierarchy, whereas authority in entrepreneurship comes from vision, expertise, and influence. Number 10. Management implements and improves proven methods, whereas entrepreneurship introduces innovative ideas, products, and services. Number 11. Management performance is measured through efficiency, productivity, and profitability, whereas entrepreneurship performance is measured through growth, impact, and value creation. Number 12. Managers generally receive salaries, bonuses, and fixed benefits, whereas entrepreneurs earn rewards based on the success of their ventures. Number 13. Management contributes to the growth and success of an organization, whereas entrepreneurship drives economic development and creates new opportunities. Number 14. Management involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling activities, whereas entrepreneurship involves innovating, adapting, and identifying opportunities. Number 15. In management, failure may result in setbacks or loss of position, whereas in entrepreneurship, failure is often viewed as a learning experience and a step toward future success. Number 16. Management leaves its impact within the organization, whereas entrepreneurship builds a lasting legacy through innovation, business creation, and economic contribution. In summary, management ensures that an organization operates efficiently and achieves its objectives, while entrepreneurship creates new opportunities, drives innovation, and shapes the future of business. Both are essential for economic growth and organizational success, but they serve different purposes and require different skills and mindsets. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.